Where's the Tesseract?
I missed you too.
Do I look to be in a gaming mood?
Oh, you should thank me. With the Bifrost gone, how much dark energy did the All-Father have to muster to conjure you here? Your precious Earth.
I thought you dead.
Did you mourn?
We all did. Our father.
Your father. He did tell you my true parentage, did he not?
We were raised together. We played together. We fought together. Do you remember none of that?
I remember a shadow. Living in the shade of your greatness. I remember you tossing me into an abyss. I who was and should be king.
So you take the world I love as recompense for your imagined slights. No, the Earth is under my protection, Loki.
And you're doing a marvelous job with that. The humans slaughter each other in droves while you idly fret.
I mean to rule them.
But why should I not?
You think yourself above them.
Oh, yes.
Then you miss the truth of ruling, brother. The throne would suit you ill.
I've seen worlds you've never known about. I have grown, Odin's son, in my exile. I have seen the true power of the Tesseract, and when I wield
Who
it...
showed you this power? Who controls the would-be king?
I am a king!
Not here! You give up the Tesseract! You give up this poisonous dream! You come home.